This is Gary Guyman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
We're in a 10 episode series, Dominate Your Market, 90 Days, a step-by-step guide to grow your revenue. It's a book I wrote in September of 2019 to help business owners grow their business, capture more revenue, dominate their market. You want a copy of this book, you can get it in paperback or Kindle. Go to the show notes. There's the Amazon link. Buy the book. Be awesome. Dominate your market. Today we're on Chapter 8, Skill Building, Effective Questions. In all my years of selling services, primarily, and owning service businesses, I found that the most important skill to develop is learning how to ask effective questions. You know the kind. The questions that elicit responses that aren't yes or no. The questions that require thought and multiple sentence responses. Why is it important to ask effective questions? Simple. When you ask effective questions, your prospects' answers will typically tell you how you need to sell them or what it will take to get them to buy from you. I believe that having 5 effective questions available for every service you sell and ready to fire them off without hesitation puts you in the driver's seat. In sales, like most negotiations, he who talks most loses. When you are able to ask your prospect questions that uncovers the pain of why they need you or gives you buying signals, your jobs become very easy. Think about 5 questions that will require your prospect to answer you with more than a yes or no answer. These are questions that usually start with W. What, where, why, when, who. Think about scenarios you've witnessed that have created W questions about your business. Write those questions down. Just like your elevator speech, commit these questions and answers to memory. When you ask the question to the prospect, just be quiet and listen to the answer. When you think they have completed their answer, count to 10 before you speak. Most of the time, that pause, it's called a pregnant pause, will cause your prospect to continue with their answer. Remember, he who talks most loses. Every time there is a sale, there is a winner and a loser. In order for you to be successful, you want to be the winner more than the loser. As you progress with these 5 questions, you'll begin to notice more question opportunities. Continually add these effective questions to your repertoire so you can focus on uncovering your prospect's true needs. Selling is not telling. It's the biggest thing I want you to know. It's not telling your features and benefits. Selling is asking your prospect questions, finding out what their need is, and then answering their need with a solution that you can provide. If you listen, and you listen with the intent to be able to provide a solution, you'll dominate the day.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.